So average rate means average daily rate or average realized rate of the hotel. The hotel is selling its room at different platforms for different rates. They may be selling on online travel agents, Booking.com, Agoda, Expedia. They may be selling to the offline travel agents via normal traditional travel agents. They may be selling to corporates. They may be selling to the government. They may have different type of rooms, superior room, deluxe room, suites room. So it's in order to convey the hotel's performance in the most simple way, one rate where the hotel is able to achieve at the hotels, to compare the various different hotels. We use average realized rate for comparing different hotels or different years. In order to understand the hotel's performance in detail, we may need to look at individual segments, individual distribution channels, how we are able to realize our rates. However, when we are comparing different hotels or year on year to for top strategic management, we consider only average realized rates, because this is what the average in average we are able to capture. So it also is kept paid recognized is also calculated by room revenue divided by the paid occupied room nights. So paid occupied room nights we discussed in the previous slide. Consider only the rooms which are actually paid and not the free rooms. So means the average daily rate will be depending on rooms revenue generated divided by the paid occupied room nights, so that we can understand the hotel's performance easily. It displays the efficiency of the hotel to manage the different price segments. So the hotel, if the hotel is selling mostly on the walk-ins and to the travel agents or to the bar rate, then their average rate can be much higher than any other hotel where with a similar price point but selling mostly to travel agents. For example, if let's say consider a hotel A and hotel B where they have both they are selling their deluxe rooms for $100 each, but hotel A is mostly selling online only and hotel B is selling offline only to the travel agents. Their average achieved rates will be drastically different because of the different channels that they are selling. As we discussed in the previous slide as well, the rates you can manage very high, but then your occupancy may not be very high. So average rate itself will not tell us anything good about the hotel's performance. It just tell about the achieved rate of the hotel, but is it enough or is it not enough, or is it coming at a cost of occupancy or not? So instead of comparing the hotel's performance via average rate, we normally compare by another metrics which we are going to discuss now. The average rate can be decreased or increased without any changing in the price by just changing the distribution channels or focusing on different category of rooms. So the average, if let's say we are saying that our average rate is higher than the previous year, it does not mean we increase the price. It just means that we are able to sell to a different market segment which were paying a higher price, or we were able to sell higher room categories which were able to generate a higher average realized rates.